Bam! Yeah. You know, GM is one of the easiest ones on the seats.
Yeah.
And look, pretty flat floor, not perfectly flat, yes, but I would say fairly flat. And I think you may be able to extend this somehow to have extra storage.
That it says what he means, end quote. So we talked a little bit about that earlier. There are different reasons why different people think the Bible is dangerous.
Okay, Garmin. Now that they don't check their fucking... Really? Oh my...
Fucking retard, man.
Ouch.
Halfway around the turn. Holy shit.
Oh.
Oh shit.
What the hell?
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Jesus Christ.
Holy shit.
Поплохело почему-то. Конкретно поплохело. Это еще запаска у него.
Да, смотри. Прокачивай.
Жесть. Бедняга. Реально бедняга.
Huh? Oh yeah, they got it. That's alright. This oh, you flapping it?